I came down here to look at this spare tire provided to us by the good people of Goodyear, but I found what appears to be the only black bird in this wood. I think it may be injured. Other than that, I don't know why I haven't flown away. As if he doesn't care that we're here. Or it wanted to be a guest on your vlog video as well. Does it look like it's bleeding or has a gash on it?
It has large talons. This thing doesn't seem to have much fight in it. I think it's gonna die soon. Poor thing. These things probably carry a ton of diseases, so we're gonna head home pretty soon so that I can get a picture of that. It's looking at me. Get me in there too. I just got kissed by a bird. Did you get that?
Yeah.
This little bugger said, "I'm tired of being held." So I'm going to put it down where I found it. Hopefully it'll be okay, and hopefully I'm not infected with some kind of West Nile crap. Back in the water. I'm assuming that's where it wants to be. That was a very rare experience. I doubt I'll ever find a black bird in the water like that ever again and actually have the opportunity to hold it. But after that nasty kiss, I don't think I want to. Let's keep moving.